Now it's time to rest. The long day has passed. On the warm bed, I lie down to relax. My body needs to be refreshed. I feel how soft the new sheet is. The familiar blanket is also extremely smooth. I feel the safety and peace in the protective arms of my parents, of those who love me. I smile softly, knowing that clear dreams are waiting for me to explore ahead. I notice all the sounds in the room. Outside the room are slowly drifting away, further away until there is no more sound, only silence, comfort, and ease. I gently close my eyes and let them roam the vast night sky. There I see the little stars twinkling, sparkling in the free and mischievous air. The moon gently covers and spreads a golden silk strip across the space. The wind plays and blows my hair to flutter. All are smiling, welcoming me, playing with me in the sky vast. Now I return to my familiar bed. I relax my body, feel my toes, feet and legs gradually stretching. Then my stomach and chest also stretch, resting. I gently shake my arms, fingers and relax them. Finally, I relax my neck, nape, and finally my head. I feel myself starting to float and become lighter, lighter. I thank my whole body for going through the day with me. I thank the parts that have done so much work with me. My body has been so obedient and obedient. Now is the time for me to say goodbye to my body the next morning, after I have had a good night's sleep. Now my body is completely relaxed, comfortable and pleasant. My head is feeling the softness of my lovely pillow. I feel like I really want to return to the peaceful night sky, where there are countless twinkling stars, where there is a gentle golden moon. Suddenly there was a small but bright star. The light was not dazzling, but on the contrary, it was gentle and soft like a mother. That light was extremely familiar, extremely safe and peaceful. I wanted to get really close, wanted to touch that magical and gentle star. And now I felt the loving light of the star embracing me, lifting me up really high, really far, beyond the moonlight, beyond the twinkling of the stars, to a place where there was only silence and peace. That was an extremely special space, a place with depth, with red and yellow light, a place of absolute silence and peace, a place where I felt extremely safe. I was there, I was in peace, in silence with the guiding star. I inhale the peace that is covering my chest and exhale peace, a gentle peace, a deep peace. And so I now fall into a light sleep, letting myself drift away, drifting freely in a peaceful, quiet space. I am covered by protection, safety, and love, sweet in the protection of the magical star. My heart is filled with excitement. I know tomorrow will be a new day, a day when I can freely play and learn, a day when I can do everything my own way, in a way that will bring peace and happiness to me. Baby, now sleep well.